Hey y'all, what it is tiredness and stupidity and complacency. I'll show y'all, don't worry, it's gonna be good. I had to show this just because sometimes I have to stop and take a little story time and remind myself that even though I feel like I'm getting better, sometimes I'm getting worse. What I did yesterday afternoon was I went and worked a little. Nice day, sun was shining. Came out to top a few trees, got a few trees topped, and then I was tired and I had just thrown some stuff in my truck to come out. Well, I got up to there. You see that chainsaw that's stuck in the top of that tree up there? That beautiful steel 194 with the rope? Guess who didn't have their saw tool or another saw or anything with them? All the right safety gear. I just don't know what to say. This is like one of those end of the day things where you have to come down and then you and Jesus have to talk about it, and he says, you know what, if you've made that mistake, are you gonna go back up there this afternoon after you drive all the way back to the shop and get a tool and everything? Or are you just gonna realize what an idiot you are and that you've been succeeding in other areas but getting too complacent in just the minor details? And look where we're at. Could be starting a job cutting some big trees today. Some good stuff that's gonna pay and turn over. But here we are. Now we're gonna take our 362 with a 20-inch bar up and go do what we could do with about a half a saw. So I'll record it. That was my soapbox. That was my story. I'll record it so that we make sure it goes good or doesn't go good. But I'm fresh. Went over all my P's and Q's this morning to make success, and had to go over so many things in my head last night, write down so much stuff to be like, hey, yeah, you're getting better at these things, of like putting your hard hat on, wearing chaps when you're supposed to, hearing plugs, eye protection. It's not new to me. 10 years of military, you'd think it was a necessity, but just I had everything else right, and then I focus on one thing and you kind of let the other little things slip. So there you go. Let's get to it. Alright, you guys, I hope that I got y'all on here pretty good. Can you see my gullet yet? No, you need to kind of see my belly. Okay. Alright, so put my hearing aids and stuff on here, y'all. I had like I said, you have to have a meeting about these things. So my meeting was up there, and I decided, well, if you're going to go with that, leave the rope in the tree so that at least you got a
rope up there. Gloves. Alright. Starting off without the weight of your chainsaw feels weird, y'all. Okay, I'll just go. Tying Dorcabus Aurelius. Bob, why are you topping all those chestnut oaks like that? That's because I want them to come back out this year and for the next 5 to 10 years before I have to top them again, which will keep me from getting scorched earth here on this nice north side of the mountain. Not only that, that gives me 5-10 years worth of little stuff growth, which is what I really want, so that next time I'm out I can talk the homeowner into cutting these down so that I can haul them to my firewood mill. Sorry, my wife's firewood mill. I won't screw that up no more. Haul them to my wife's firewood processor. Okay guys, that tree up there is cut. You see that? How I just buried up too much? I really need to take it easy. Just nice and easy. Try to use my hands and kind of not put so much weight weeble wobbly on it, I guess. If anything goes, good thing already got the rope in her. I may take a swing, but I think it'll be alright. See what this is now. Part of that little, we're saving that. Saving that little thing. Trying to. I think that's rain back over there, y'all. I knew it was coming. I just wanted my saw. Guess I thought it out. My timing's pretty darn good. Bob, why do you have that figure 8, that little 8? I love this little 8. I think it makes me have to adjust my rope every 3 or 4 feet. I think that's a good pace. There's Mr. Dennis. It's a little bit windy up here, y'all. There's rain coming. Look, oh yeah, now we're gonna get windy up here. Oh yeah, there's probably a storm right back over there, Bob. Let's get this done. Go. Hope not too much. Well, you get up here and it gets windy. That's awesome. If I cuss, y'all, I'm sorry. I really am. Because I want to tell y'all the truth. Yes, I really didn't expect the wind to pick up like that. Alright, you stay right there. Oodle ollie. You're not gonna have the room. You're really not. It's against it, man. I hate it. Well, there's our view out through there. I hope that y'all can recognize what a idiot I am. Guys, don't get tired. Don't be up here and be tired. You gotta do something that might be a little bit sketchy and dumb. Do it like this. Do it. At least do it at first thing when all the ER nurses are fresh. Okay, oh, you bent the poopy out of that chain. Back, yeah. It's the chain you got hanging in the way. Do this. Yeah, it could be. Yeah, guys, I gotta cut this big limb off with this. That was my chain. Don't get hung up. But of course she does. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Okay, let's put this useless chainsaw over here on this side. Oh, where's my looper for over here? It's don't fall. Don't fall. Don't get hit. Nope, I'm leaving it the way it is, guys. Yep, I bet you I can see it from that bridge down there. I'll go back and show y'all. Wish I had one of them sniper scopes for my camera. I'd go down there to the other side of the lake and show y'all this bad cut that I had. I'm just kidding, I can't leave it. Ridiculous. Two chainsaws and the body are coming down. Let's check all that. Where'd it go? Right there, y'all. Come over here. Get over here. Hanging upside down now. Come here. Yoga stretch of the day. Gotcha. Oh, that's good. Jeez Louise. All that, Bob, all you did was bend over backwards. I hope that Susan can turn the GoPro for y'all so y'all don't have to see that upside down, but we're all down, y'all. Saws are on the ground. Everything's good. So I'm gonna pack all this up. Maybe I'll shoot y'all some more videos, some dropping stuff today. Later, y'all.